I have some pretty freaking sweet news.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
What's up guys, welcome back to Noob Investor. My name's Eric, the #1 noob, and this week my Robinhood portfolio has just hit over $5,000. So what better time to show you guys my portfolio, show you what I'm holding for the long term, what I plan on selling and stuff like that. After I finish showing you that, I'll dive into trackyourdividends.com and show you my overall dividend yield and just some different aspects to my portfolio. Remember, if you do want to start investing with Robinhood, I do have a link in the description where you and I would get a free stock, so you can do that as well. Let's get into it though. You see my overall investment is $5,255. That's not all actually in the stock market though. You can see I have a buying power of $465 sitting there. I'm just kind of waiting to see for some stocks to get at better buy prices for me. So let's go ahead and get into this. So I'm just going to quickly go through each of my ETFs and stocks to show you what I have and if I'm in the green or in the red on my investment. So here we have VOO, and I am up $3.88. Next up we have STHD, which is my dividend ETF, and we are up $35 there on 8 shares. VGT, I have 1 share and I'm up $42. That's a technology Vanguard. And then we have Microsoft, which I have 3 shares of and I'm up $43 there. Intel, I have 1 share, up $2. AMD, I have 1 share, up $5. Activision, I have 1 share, I'm up $6. Disney, I have 2 shares and I'm up $44. AT&T, I have 9 shares and I'm up $7. Visa, I have 2 shares and I'm up $48. If you don't mind, could you leave me a like for the YouTube algorithm? And if you want to see more videos like this, then you can subscribe. Thanks. JP Morgan, 3 shares. I'm actually down $1.56, but that's okay. Discover, I have 5 shares and I'm up $25. Realty Income, I have 10 shares and I'm up $12. New Residential, I have 21 shares and I'm up $44. Nike, I have 2 shares and I am up, I'm up $22. Darden Restaurants, I have 2 shares and I'm up $83. That was a nice upside to that one. Waste Management, I have 3 shares, I'm up $9. Virgin Galactic, I have 3 shares and I'm actually down $4. I bought kind of high on that one, but this is a very speculative stock if you know about Virgin Galactic, but if things work out, you know, it's going to be worth a lot more than that, so we'll see. And then everything up to this point I am basically holding for long term, or at least a longer period of time. Everything after this I am planning on selling eventually for some gains. So Boeing, I bought 1 share for $97.60, so I'm up $38 already, but I think it can go up higher, so I'm holding on to that to sell later. Delta, once again, I have 2 shares that I bought for around $25, so I'm down $6, so waiting for that. Delta, I think, will go up as well, so no problem. Dave & Buster's, I have 7 shares that I bought for $7.89, so I'm up $25 on that already as well, but that's another one that I think will go up some more. Wyndham, 2 shares that I bought for $19.50 each, so I'm up $53. Waiting a little longer once again. Like I said, with all of these, I'm just waiting to sell at a little bit higher prices. Chef's Warehouse, I have 5 shares that I bought for $5 each, and I am up $44 right now on that. And then that completes my entire $5,000 portfolio. With that being said, I have $5,000 in my portfolio, but after I sell those ones that I plan on selling, however long I decide to hold them, we'll see. But once I do sell those, it would be a little under that, but I'll probably have invested more to the point where it's at 5,000 again. So
it is what it is. It is what it is.
Now let's dive into trackyourdividends.com, where I'll show you a little bit more. All right, let's get to business. If you need blue light glasses like these, I do have a link as well below. You get 2 pairs for $20, just so you know. All right, let's get into this. So here we're on Track Your Dividends, the website. If you need more info on it, I did make a video all about it. I'll put a little thingy right here. So let's look at this right now. If you see, I have $4,316 in this portfolio, and the reason it's lower than my Robinhood is because I did not put those stocks I plan on selling in here, just the ones I plan on holding for a longer term. Dividend yield, we have 2.84, which I'm happy with. I know most dividend investors are looking for a 3+, 4+ dividend yield on their portfolio, but for me, around a 3, as long as I have solid growth overall in my portfolio, I'm happy with that. Yield on cost is 3.16, and my annual projected income is $123, which is awesome to see considering how low it was just not too long ago. I'm not going to go through everything all over again because you already saw my holdings. Let's go into the free tools tab and go to diversification. So here you see I have 7 sectors invested in. I have 17 stocks, and my highest weighted sector is ETFs with 21.57%, and then my lowest weighted sector is industrials with 6.84%. So let's go down here and you will see, so I have about 21% in ETFs, I have about 20% in financials, 15% technology, 15% in real estate, 13% in communication services, about 8% in consumer cyclical, and about 7% in industrials. And then when we go down here, so here we actually have every single stock I own. So let's go through biggest to smallest. First up, we have Microsoft, awesome. Next up, Realty Income. Then we have SCHD, Visa, Waste Management, VOO, AT&T, JP Morgan, VGT, Disney, Discover, Nike, Darden Restaurants, New Residential, Activision, Intel, and then AMD. So overall, I like my portfolio and how, more or less, how it's weighted right now. I mean, I've been looking for deals in the stock market, you know, with all this crazy volatility. But even with that being said, I feel it's pretty solid. If you do not think so, then let me know below. I am more than welcome to any criticisms if you can be nice about it. Alright, so that was a breakdown of my entire portfolio. You got to see how many sectors and how many stocks I am invested in. And with that being said, the reason I have 17 stocks is because I want to be diversified without being overly diversified. I feel like 20-ish stocks is a good amount. So I only plan on possibly adding maybe 2 or 3 more stocks, and I'll be around that 20 point. I mean, maybe if I find something I want, I'll go above that. But really, just like I said, I want to be around 20-ish. I don't want to be overly diversified. I want to be invested in companies that I think are going to be good for the long term. And that's just me. Remember, I'm just a noob. I'm not a professional. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my $5,000 portfolio. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
Wait a minute. Who are you?